now believe I can stay confident. I always default to hard work in the past. That's when we say people go to the hard working bias. So there's a very good example. This is how we started. Then negative 11%, and now he goes, as I'm knowledge stacking, I'm enjoying it more. He did 4% for the month. Because the numbers before were up and down a lot. They were chasing, trying too hard. There's a number hitting their 4%. But they did a far bigger number before, okay? It's not on this graph. So it's all coming together. They're not too far from getting a breakthrough trophy. Stay consistent. Only through the course have I been able to manage this, okay? So because you're building this mental integrity to be able to stay consistent with what you do, then it comes together. Because I was chasing the market before, chopping, changing things. So now they're on track.